Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn how to write 10 lines on Mahatma Gandhi in English. You can also write this content under the topic Write 10-line essay on your favorite leader or write 10-line essay on Father of our nation Mahatma Gandhi. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869. Second line is he was a key leader in India's struggle for independence. Third line is his full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Fourth line is he advocated non-violent civil disobedience as a powerful tool against injustice. Fifth line is he is often called the father of the nation. Sixth line is he led various movements including the Salt March to protest against British colonial rule. Seventh line is his philosophy of truth, also known as Satyagraha, inspired millions worldwide. Eighth line is he wore simple clothes and lived a frugal life. Ninth line is he promoted religious harmony and believed in the dignity of manual labor. Last line is his teachings on peace and nonviolence continue to inspire generations globally.